The Nightingale. Long, long time ago, there was an emperor who lived in the biggest, shiniest palace. It had walls of gold and floors of porcelain. Its garden had trees that grew nowhere else. At the far end of the garden lived a little bird, a nightingale who sang the most beautiful songs. The emperor, however, had never gone that far out and, hence, knew nothing about it. Which is why he just had to have it once he heard his guests praise its singing. He sent his most loyal servants to find it, and it took them years before they actually did. But the wait was worth it, because as it started singing, the emperor's eyes filled whole with tears. He gifted the bird with gold and didn't let it leave. He asked it to sing again and again and again. Each time he cried, and it brought goosebumps to his skin. As people came and listened, it happened to them as well. But one day, the emperor received a nice gift, a golden nightingale, who sang almost just as well. He forgot about the plain old one the very same moment and placed the golden shiny one right next to his bed. It sang and it sang for him and for the crowd for months. But one day, it just broke and it couldn't sing anymore. The emperor fell ill, yearning for a song. As death came, the old, plain nightingale came along. It sang so beautifully that death cried as well. It left the room quickly, and the emperor felt better right away. It asked him not to make it stay, but promised to come back. And it really did. Every night, always singing a different song.